Right guys, I was very busy this morning. I thought I'd try out my new bread maker and I thought I'd give it a go. Well, results disastrous. So it looks like I'm starving for the day because the supermarket is shut, can't get bread nowhere. Because this is how it finished. After 3 hours for that. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I can't even feed the dog anymore. And I followed the ingredients to the letter. So, it's done me. I won't be using that again. Waste time. Just go down the bakery. A lot easier. Saves the hassle. I've never cooked before in my life. And I'm not doing it again. So, take my advice. Stay in, stay safe. And just use the bakery. Cheers.